Okay, so I bought this Ryobi battery-powered lawnmower, and I've got these batteries, and I was trying to think, seems kind of a waste just to have this battery and not be able to do anything with it. So I checked a couple of YouTube channels and heard about some people doing some things with the batteries. And then I went to Amazon and discovered that I can get this flashlight, which connects to the battery. And so it slides on. Like that. And it has USB ports so you can charge your devices. And if you push the button on top, there's the light. Flash, steady, brighter, flash, push, hold it, and it goes out. And now I have a flashlight in case the power goes out. I can recharge my cell phone anytime off of a 40 volt, 6 amp battery.